Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about an acne remover. All of you know, maybe not all, but some of you know that my pores are very large. So today I'm going to be doing a first impression on an acne kit. They sent me this beautiful and amazing kit for acne, and it's supposed to reduce it within 24 hours. That's amazing. Let's go ahead. This is the packaging. You can see there everything that brings, everything that comes with, and here is the name of the brand. And the package is actually like really good, and it comes with this directions on how to use it. So let's see everything that comes inside of it. First off, I want to apologize for my greasy face. I feel like you can fry like, I don't know, 50 eggs on my face and it will be ready to go. This is the Pink Pearl Oil-Free Cleanser. Right there, you can see it. I apologize for my nails. I know I haven't had time to do my nails, but anyways, let's focus on this. That's a brand, VERNELL. I really hope I'm saying it right. It says that it's for dry, sensitive, and normal skin. Then we have an acne drying lotion. It says that you have to do it overnight. I'm assuming that after you pop your pimples, you put this so the hole that you left on your face goes away like magic. And the third item we have is this. You probably wonder what this is, but it's actually really cool. I mean, this is a must-have. So it is a little plastic thing. I don't really know how to call this. Protector carrier. When you open it, you can see a little tag, and then you can see a couple tools. These are some cool tools, and probably you have seen them when you go to the spa and get some facials and stuff, treatments on your face. These are 4, and I don't know if you can see, but these 3 are really sharp on this side, and then on the other side they have these little holes, and that's how you make your blackheads come out of your face so you can finally be free of them. And this one is a little bit more, I want to say like for thicker ones, and on the other side it's just like the other one. So let's see how this works. First, it says to clean face with VERNELL Pink Pearl Oil-Free Cleanser. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Just gonna scrub this all over my face. But now you want to wash it. So you just grab water and clean it. In the next step, you want to open up your pores. So for that, we're gonna use some pads and put it in not hot water, but warm water, a little bit more on the hotter side, and then just put it on your face. That way our pores are just going to open up. And I know my face is screwed up on that side because that's where my larger pores are. So I'm just gonna put it on there for a couple minutes. Once you're done with that, you want to make sure you disinfect the toolkit Like this ones, you want to make sure they're very disinfected. So you just want to clean a little bit. Everything will gonna come off. The best part of this is the price, because it's in discount right now. It's like $29. Why wouldn't you buy it, you know? And then you want to use this, and this is like a drying solution. It's gonna make your pores close, so that's what I want, because this is huge. And voila, you're good to go. Now you have to go take a nap and repair your face, have your beauty sleep. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really enjoy making these videos for you. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.